everyone. For supper tonight, I'll be making slow cooker quiche. What all goes into the slow cooker quiche? 1 pie crust. I will let it sit at room temperature for 10 to 15 minutes so it's more pliable. 8 large eggs, 1/2 cup, half and half, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon pepper, 1/4 teaspoon onion powder, 1 cup diced ham, and 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese. So let's begin. So it's been about 10 minutes. I have a cutting board here. I'm going to roll out my pie dough to make it more of an oval so it'll fit in the slow cooker better. Just add a very little bit amount. I always add too much and then I get too much on my pie crust. A little here so it don't stick, and then a little bit on my rolling pin. And you want to have this set out for a while just so it can be a little bit more pliable, so you can stretch it and roll it, all of that good stuff. Okay. And we just want it to, so it can go the length of the crock pot and up the side a little bit so it can hold in all of the quiche goodies. You don't have to go up very high, just enough that all of the goodies don't fall into the outside of the crust. Take your slow cooker and line it with parchment paper to fill the bottom and part way up the side. I figured it'd be just easier to use my silicone liner, be easier to lift it up than using parchment paper. Stick this in. I think that's going to work fairly well. Okay, that looks pretty good. Take a large bowl, put in your 8 eggs. Then add your 1/2 cup of half and half. Well, put it in the bowl and not on the floor or your counter space. All right, let's try that again. Put in your 1/2 cup of half and half, your 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and your 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. Whisk that until well combined. Dump in your ham and the egg mixture and stir that in. Then take your egg mixture and pour it onto the crust. And it says if a little bit gets out of the crust, it's okay. I think I did pretty good though. I did fold down that one that kept falling, and all the ham fell to the bottom. So I'm gonna lightly mix that so it's, yeah, I should have left that up. A little bit went underneath, but that was my fault there because this part wouldn't stay up. Put your lid on, turn it on high, and cook it on high for 2 hours and 10 minutes until the center is no longer jiggly. All crock pots are not the same, so you'll just have to check it. So it looks like it is pretty well done. We'll put some cheese on the top, which is a cup of cheese. Put the lid back on and let it melt, and then we can dish up. So the cheese is melted. I just took the whole liner out, so it'll be easy to remove and put it on the platter. Much easier, I think, than parchment paper. I've got my big old spatula here. Just like that. Can't beat the liner or the spatula. Now you can garnish that with whatever you want to. More ham, herbs, sour cream, pico de gallo, salsa, whatever you want to. But what goes good with quiche? Fruit does, of course. And what goes good with ham? Pineapples. So here is the slow cooker quiche. And rounding out the meal is pineapple chunks. Let's see what Dave thinks. That is...
I'm gonna ask you, I'm just gonna taste it.
Okay.
No. It seems like it has some ham and some eggs in it.
That is slow cooker quiche. And it does have ham and eggs in it.
I think it blew my hair off. Wait, it was already gone, wasn't it? Maybe it'll grow it back.
Don't hold your breath.
Probably, yeah. Actually, that's pretty good. There's a little crust under there?
Yeah, it's a pie crust.
Okay. Well, actually, it's good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.